Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Although expecting a tough contest, Reggae Girlz head coach Lorne Donaldson says they'll be looking to outdo Canada when the teams clash in their first leg Olympic qualifying playoff match at the National Stadium this evening. The world number 10 ranked Canadians are expected to field key players who had missed the FIFA World Cup in July. Canada, who are also the defending Olympic champions, defeated the Reggae Girlz the last time they met in July last year in a World Cup qualifying match.
We have to just match it and just say, we can't think about now what happened over a year ago. We are trying to progress and trying to make sure that whatever they do, we can do just as well or even better.
Meanwhile, Donaldson believes that the level of fan support locally needs to be examined.
What we need to ask in Jamaica, are we a lover of football or are we a football country? And I think we love football and like talk about it. Okay? When was the last time we see a football game or anything sold out in the stadium except champs? Not really. So, we love sports, but, it used to be sold out. I used to play schoolboy football and I watched Jamaica play the other day and I played in stadium with KC. And we have twice the amount of crowd back in the days when I played the KC inside the stadium. So again, the population has changed. I don't know if we're priced out of it, some of the people, and I worry about that. I'd rather get people in the stadium at a lower price and fill it up, and we come and have some enjoyment.
The senior Reggae Girlz have never beaten their Canadian counterparts, with the Canadians winning all 4 matches that the teams have played against each other, dating back to 2007. Now, Jamaica's Reggae Boys have moved the 2 places up to number 56 in the latest FIFA men's rankings. The Hamer Holgrimson coach, the Reggae Boys, also remain the number 1 ranked Caribbean team ahead of Haiti, who is ranked at number 87. The Reggae Boys also remain 6th highest ranked CONCACAF team, with the USA the highest ranked at number 11 ahead of Mexico at number 12, while Canada at 44th, Panama 45th and Costa Rica 46th. The Reggae Boys since March of this year have played 12 games, winning 4, losing 4 and drawing 4. Argentina remain the world's number 1 ranked team ahead of France, Brazil, England and Belgium. Still on football, Jamaica's Dunbeholden FC went down 2-0 to Robin Hood FC of Suriname in Group B action of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup on Thursday night at Sabina Park. Robin Hood FC were led by a double from Shaquille Cairo. Cairo put them in front in the 15th minute. Dunbeholden would try to respond immediately afterwards, but were thwarted. Cairo would return in the 55th minute to put Robin Hood further ahead. And that is how things would remain as the Surinamese team secured their 2nd win of the competition. The result also means Robin Hood now sit atop the group with 6 points, 2 more than another Jamaican team, Harbour View. Dunbeholden remain at the foot of the table with 1 point after 3 matches. And that's the final whistle, and that is it for your lunchtime sports. And I am Jermaine Brown. Kalisha, back to you.
Exciting match this evening. Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Kalisha Williams. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the entire team, good afternoon.